Welcome to Origon. Here, you'll build AI systems that actually work. Origon brings everything together. One place to design, observe, and improve every system you run. Studio is where you design and integrate. Sessions show what happened behind the scenes. Insights help you understand performance over time. In the next few minutes, we'll go from a blank workspace to a live IT help desk system that handles real requests across voice, chat, and email, with built-in observability, human handoff, and production-grade reliability. By the end, you'll know where everything lives in Origon, how each piece connects, and how to design a system you can deploy, test, and actually trust. So let's dive right in. Instead of starting in theory, let's see it in action. This is a live IT help desk system running in Origon. Let's start with a call. I'll go up to the top and then click call. Hey there.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I forgot my password. Can you help me reset it?
Sure, I can help with that. Let me first verify your identity. Could you please provide your employee ID and support PIN?
Yeah, absolutely. My employee ID is 92626 and my support PIN is 9585.
Thanks for providing the details. I will verify your identity now. Please hold on for a moment. Your identity has been successfully verified, and I've sent you a password reset email. You can follow the instructions in that email to reset your password. Let me know if there's anything else you need help with.
Nope, that'll be it for now. I call in, it greets me, figures out what I need, and then starts working. If I were to interrupt it mid-sentence, change my request, even add another task on top, it will keep going. Here's why. Origon runs the interaction layer and the execution layer in parallel. While we're talking, the root agent is also talking to the sub-agents and tools in the background. When I interrupt, it doesn't cancel what's already happening. It keeps working, tracking each task, understanding which one to prioritize, and then bringing the results back in the right order. Now let's continue in chat. So I've exited the call, and as you can see, it's a continuous flow. Now I'll ask for it to create a support ticket for me. Same system, same logic, different channel. Because everything runs through one orchestration layer, context carries across voice, chat, and email. It's one system running everywhere at once. And because it's all built in one place, you get something most AI demos skip: visibility. In sessions, you can open any conversation and see exactly what happened. Every message, a summary, logs, every tool call, every agent involved, latency. In Insights, you can zoom out, see which tools are slow, where users drop off, when humans step in, and why. That's what a live Origon system feels like. Now let's build it together. I'll start by creating a new system so we're on a clean slate. I'll open the menu and click Add New. I'll name it IT Help Desk and hit Create. Right here in the center is the root agent. It's the part that talks to users, coordinates sub-agents, and manages everything running underneath. Up at the top, you'll see the building blocks that make Origon a full AI platform: channels, agents, tools, MCP integrations, and knowledge. Each one gives your system a specific kind of power: how it talks, how it thinks, how it acts. Let's start by connecting how it talks to users. I'll grab voice and drag it onto the workspace. Once I drop the node, it automatically connects to the root agent and opens its configurations page. Each channel will have its own set of configuration settings. For now, I'll just pick the model for the speech-to-text and text-to-speech. You can enable additional STT, TTS, and LLM models within the settings. Once I've made my selection, I'll click Done. I'll follow the same process for chat and email. With channels all connected, we'll configure the root agent. At the top, I'll pick a primary model and a fallback model. You can mix and match models from OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, etc. Or you can even bring your own. Then I'll give it instructions. You are an IT help desk specialist. You efficiently support users in resolving IT-related issues, ensuring security and clear communication. That's it. Origon already knows what agents and tools exist. These instructions are simply guiding its behavior. Under guardrails, you'll soon be able to enable moderation, PII detection, jailbreak prevention, and hallucination checks. These guardrails are designed to make sure your systems stay safe and compliant while running in production. Next is continual learning, which is also coming soon. When enabled, this allows the agent to learn from its sessions and refine its behavior automatically. It does that through 3 core parts: reflector instructions, which help the system analyze what worked or failed, adapter instructions, which turn that analysis into better behavior, and a playbook or memory, which is continuously updated as the agent improves. Together, these make the system self-assessing and continuously learning over time. Finally, there's summarization. This tab defines how the agent summarizes each session, the structure, fields, and formatting rules it should follow when generating summaries in the sessions view. It's pre-filled by default, but you can edit it if you want to customize how summaries are written. For now, we'll leave it as is and click Done. Now we'll start expanding the system's capabilities. We want the root agent's sole focus to be conversation and coordination, not execution. So instead of connecting tools to it directly, we'll attach agents that can handle specific tasks. Through those agents, we'll connect tools like custom functions, MCPs, and knowledge bases. This approach keeps the system modular, lets us run tools in parallel, reduces hallucination, and allows each agent to use the best model for its specific task. Now let's set one up together. I'll drag and drop an agent onto the workspace and name it Support. Inside the node, I'll define its capabilities. Capabilities tell the root agent when this agent should be used. For this one, I'll write troubleshooting issues related to software and hardware, resetting passwords, creating and updating tickets. Below that, I'll choose primary and fallback models. Each agent can have its own models, so you can fine-tune performance based on what it's doing. Then we have instructions. Just like the root agent, these additional agents already understand the tools that are connected to it. So we'll start simple. It's always easier to add complexity later than to strip it away. Here's what I'll use. You are a support agent responsible for assisting users with software and hardware issues. Always use the knowledge base for troubleshooting and guidance. If the issue remains unresolved, create or update tickets in the CRM. Once I'm finished, I'll click Done. Now we'll connect tools to the support agent. First, I'll drag in a knowledge base. These knowledge engines are built right into Origon. They give agents instant access to verified information like help docs, policies, or FAQs. You can add files, links, or even entire folders. Next, I'll add a CRM using an MCP. MCPs are one-click integrations that connect Origon to hundreds of existing tools. What's unique here, though, is that you can choose the scope, exactly which functions of that integration the system can access, instead of giving it blanket permissions. So for the CRM, I'll give permission to create, update, and delete tickets, and nothing else. Once I've set the scope and the account, I'll click Done. Finally, I'll drag in a function. I'll name this one Password Reset. Functions are how you create custom logic inside Origon. They let you connect to external systems or run snippets of code natively, so your agents can execute actions without leaving the platform. In the description, I'll specify when it should run, list any required arguments, and paste in a short Python snippet from our previous example. Then I'll click Done. Now our support agent has 3 connected tools: a knowledge base for troubleshooting, a CRM for tickets, and a function for secure password resets. I'll follow the same process to create 3 more specialists: an authentication agent, which will verify users at every interaction, an apps agent, which manages application installations and issues, and an escalation agent, responsible for handing off the conversation to live support. Now, let's step back and look at what we've built. At the center is the root agent. On the left, our channels, voice, chat, and email, all feeding into one unified system. Supporting it is a network of specialist agents, each connected to their own tool. Authentication, apps, support, and escalation. Underneath, Origon's orchestration engine is running both the interaction and execution layers in parallel. That means the system can talk to you while it's reasoning in the background, keep context across multiple tasks, and deliver results in the right order, even when you interrupt or change direction. Once you're happy with this first version, click Deploy. Origon tracks every version automatically, so you can roll back at any time. To test it, you can use the chat window right here in the platform. Switch to talk using this icon and test it over voice. It's the same system you saw earlier, but now it's yours. Out of the box with almost no prompting, the system works. That's the architecture doing the heavy lifting. The orchestration engine, the parallel processing, and the built-in context awareness. As you test new versions, you can refine instructions, add knowledge, or connect more tools. But the foundation is already strong enough to perform day one. After testing, I'll open sessions. You can see the full transcript, summaries, tool calls, and latency. If something's slow, switch to a faster model. If a tool is used incorrectly, refine the agent's capabilities and instructions. In Insights, you'll see the bigger picture, which tools fail, where users drop, and when humans step in. It's how you move from it runs to it's reliable and extensible. And that's it. You've just built your first AI system in Origon. What used to take months of planning and setup now just takes minutes. We built Origon so you can spend less time creating infrastructure and more time shipping AI systems your teams actually trust. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you build. Welcome to Origon, where your ideas come alive.